Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install and use dual Facebook account on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So this is my on Facebook account and the another Facebook account. Just need to log in another account. Sam provide how can easily set up. First open your settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, scroll down, then you get dual messenger option. Just tap on it, then you get all social site. Okay, at first time uninstall and just need to turn on, then you get install option. Press on to install. Now install my second Facebook account. In the first and the second, you need to just install two different Facebook. In the first and second, just need to log in another account, then you can easily use two different Facebook account.